Hello friends, my name is Kushal Nagar. Welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, I have request to all of you, make sure to subscribe the channel and the bell icon will be visible on the side. Press on that too so that I can upload a video in future. So that all of you can get the notification first and definitely subscribe the channel because on this channel you will get interesting fact and educational videos. So let's start the video and know life of women in Tihar jail. Life of women in Tihar jail. Such is the life of women in Tihar jail. The female prisoner narrated her story. Bathing, eating and sleeping have to be done at the same place in the jail. There is a fight for every little thing. People shed each other bloods for TV, seats, food, clothes, for everything. Life of women in Tihar jail. Jail which is called the hell of the earth. Nobody ever want to go here. But time creates such a situation in front of a person that he has to go behind the jail. According to the NCRB, NCRB means National Crime Records Bureau, 2020 data, there are more than 4,88,511 lakh prisoners in the jails of India. In this, 71% prisoners are under trial. According to the 2015 NCRB data, there are a total of 17,834 women prisoners in the jail. In this, 66.8% prisoners are under trial. The condition of women prisoners in India is the worst. Picture of jail of India regarding health facilities have come to the fore many times. In such a situation, a female prisoner who has spent her long journey in Tihar jail, Advocate Prashant has been told the truth of Tihar. Prisoners over capacity. The woman who has spent time with the worst criminal in Tihar jail told to what extent corruption is spread in jail. How the rich get better facilities and the poor prisoners are made animals. Tihar jail is the most dangerous jail in India. It is said that the prisoner going here cannot even think of running away. The people living in the prison are able to meet the sun, the sky and the birds only. There is only one women jail number 6 where the capacity to hold women prisoners is 400. But there are more than 331 women. Misty name change who spends her time among them tell that the life of woman in jail is no less than an animal. One medicine for every disease. Yeah. Misty told that once someone goes to the jail that he cannot contact with the outside the world, he is not even spoken to by anyone. 3 meals are available to eat in which there is a dal, rice and roti. He told that tea is also available in the jail but only sweet water is there in it. Misty say it is not that our government does not provide food or other facility for the prisoners. The government does its work. But their other officers sitting in a small position sell it so that people can buy good food for themselves by paying money. If you have money in jail, you will get everything. Their paracetamol is the only cure for every disease. Paracetamol is only given to anyone who has any problem. Old prisoners are the king of jail. Misty says with tears in her eyes that one has to take bath, eat and sleep at the same place in jail. There is a fight for every little thing. People shed each other blood for TV, seats, food, clothing, for everything. In jail, the jailer lives for the name of the person moving all prisoners. The jailer sleeps sitting comfortably. The old prisoners torture the other prisoners who come. Most of the women in these jail are not even aware of their crime. Like, I don't know what I have done. Hardly 30 minutes are given to talk to the family members. There is a lot of crying and pleading for these 30 minutes. She says that people are also given bad food so that they can buy food for themselves by paying money so that the jailer can get a chance to take bribe. Woman told her fault. Misty, while narrating her prison story, says that I am from West Bengal, used to work in a hotel in Delhi. Due to corona suddenly the job was lost, so I looked for an online job in which I had to check the customer's data and give it to be the head. It's only been 10 days since I worked. One day suddenly there was a raid on the office and told me that this work is a crime of law and sent to Tihar jail. He told my family had no idea where I was. After 4 days I could hardly contact my family. When they came to know that I was in jail, there was a lockdown. My father came to Delhi for me riding a bike from West Bengal. Yeah, it's true. There was a lockdown. My father came to Delhi for me riding a bike from West Bengal. Misty weeps and says that my family had to pay for the mistake about which I do not even know till date. So friends, how did you like this video? All of you must have liked the video very much. To see more such interesting and educational videos, subscribe the channel and the bell icon is visible on the side. Click on that too, and if you like the video then definitely like, comment and share. Thank you so much.